We are headed to the Bayou sooner than we originally thought. That plus 5 brand new Disney Jeopardy categories are headed your way this Saturday, and I am about to tell you what they are. I'm your host, Brian Perry. Inside 300 starts right now. All right, we start off with Tiana's Bayou Adventure, the Splash Mountain replacement, as the attraction's opening date has been moved up to this summer for Walt Disney World. The news comes with this dazzling new footage of Princess Tiana and our first look at one of the ride's new animatronics. As you can see, Tiana's movement and facial expressions are some of Disney's best yet. Many fans were worried that the ride was going to utilize the 3D face mapping technology as seen in Orlando's Frozen Ever After attraction, but that is obviously not the case. The ride will open in Disneyland later in 2024. Did you know that you could stay in Elsa's Ice Palace? I sure didn't, but Disney released these images of a brand new suite at Disneyland Paris that was inspired by the Queen's lair in 2013's Frozen. The chandelier is clearly the highlight here, but the view of Disneyland Paris's Sleeping Beauty castle is to die for. Look at that. I want to live there. The suite is part of the resort's reimagined Disneyland Hotel. The Kansas City Chiefs are Super Bowl champions once more, which means another trip to Disney for Patrick Mahomes. He brought his 2 kids and his wife Brittany after the Chiefs' thrilling victory over the 49ers on Sunday. To learn more about the history of the famous "I'm going to Disneyland" or Disney World ad campaign, check out my recent video that dives back more than 30 years to see how the slogan and annual trip began. All right, Disney 100 Jeopardy fans, it is time to grab a pen and paper because I am about to reveal the 5 categories that you will be quizzed on this weekend in episode 54. Here we go. First up, it is last week's Final Jeopardy category. That is Disney Rails, all about trains in Disney movies. Second, it's Pixar sandwiches. I give you 2 Pixar movies and you tell me which Pixar film was sandwiched in between them. Third, it is Newsies. Fourth, it is promises you don't intend to keep. That's all about canceled Disney projects. And fifth, last but not least, it is tiaras and crowns. Tune into Disney 100 Jeopardy this Saturday to test your Disney knowledge. And this is a bit of big news for fans of the show. This will be the final episode to air on a Saturday, as beginning with episode 55 the following week, I'll be shifting the show to live on Friday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern. Finally, it is time for this day in Disney history. We have to go back a cool 74 years ago. The year was 1950 when Disney released a little film you may have heard of. It was called Cinderella.
Perhaps if it would help.
No, nothing can help now. Nothing.
But you see, I have the other slipper.
Do you think Cinderella is Disney's most popular princess? I was thinking about that. She's not the original, nor is she contemporary, but yeah, I guess she is Disney's most popular princess. If you agree with that or have a different opinion, be sure to let me know in the comments below. But that will do it for this episode of Inside 300. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. Hello, bell. This way you're notified every time we come out with brand new content. I will see you this Saturday for Disney 100 Jeopardy. Once again, I've been your host, Brian Perry. Until then.
Bye-bye.